So we've been mudding, sanding, going crazy with this huge drywall project. And you know, I did find some joy in that. I do think it's kind of fun sculpting it and it makes a big difference. But now I'm getting to, yeah, she don't like it. Now that we're getting to another step, it's one of my least favorite steps. It's one of the steps that I dislike. I gotta prime it. I gotta get the first prime so I can see those micro details that I may have missed with that mud. And that's painting and priming, and I hate doing it with a roller, with all that craziness. I hate it, but this week we have a tool that I think is gonna make this not only more enjoyable, but come out better as well. What we just got in here was our VEVOR 1500 watt, 3300 PSI airless paint sprayer. One of the things I learned when I was trying to roll out the butler's pantry, for some reason I thought that would go pretty fast. It didn't go fast. It took forever. So I came crying to Kristen and I said, I think I need a paint sprayer or something like that. We tried a few in Puerto Rico, little baby ones, and they didn't work as good. So I said, we need the big dog here. Obviously, as you guys know, we have a million projects going at once, so we didn't want to break the bank. One thing we love about VEVOR is that they make professional quality tools accessible to everyone. So this wasn't crazy expensive, and I'm hyped. Everything so far looks pretty robust, and I think it's gonna help me knock these jobs out a lot quicker. Let's see if the VEVOR paint sprayer can actually help me finish the job I hate the most.
It's your favorite part. I'm gonna read the instructions. We're gonna hopefully quickly set this up. It looks like we got everything here, the hose, nozzle, everything looks like it's here. It even comes with some gloves. Do you hear that, Matty boy? Gloves.
I see some gloves. I see
something you never wear.
I see some tools. Looks like they give you everything you need.
A lot of different nozzles.
Looks like there's some filters in here. So I just plugged this thing in for the first time and it started talking to me. It's like a transformer. So first step, we gotta run the water through it. This is also the cleaning process, so it's important to get this down.
Welcome to use Smart Control Painting Sprayer. Please add lubricant before use.
All right, so we're getting ready for the big moment, the big exciting time of testing it out. Real quick, I have to change the nozzles out. The VEVOR comes with 5 different spray nozzles for finer paint, for doors and trim, stuff like that, to bigger fans to cover more room, certain ones for primer. So right now I got the primer one on. That's a 10-inch fan. I think it's gonna be good in there because I have some corners. I don't wanna go too big. So this will give me control and got everything you need right in the box.
Control painting sprayer. Please add lubricant before use.
We're gonna prime this section behind us. This is gonna be our coffee center niche. So most of it's gonna be behind walls. So if this goes terrible, it's okay. So we're gonna test it out somewhere safe.
Yeah, user error is a big part of our channel. You know, I gotta learn how all the intricacies and the nuances of this thing. First time for me ever using a sprayer. So far it's been super user friendly. It seems to be going pretty smoothly. It says it can go 8 times faster than a roller. So to me, that sounds like a dream come true. I'm ready to blast some paint, but you gotta get out of here because I only got one. Well, I got 2 respirators. You can wear the little one, I'll wear the big one.
Okay.
Let's do it. So that thing was awesome. I barely even had time to break a sweat here. I just put the shirt on before I started spraying, and that was quick. I'm excited about that because, man, I did like the one room with a roller, and I would definitely recommend having this sprayer to do it. It was quick. Cleaning it up was really easy. I think overall, super user friendly. It actually talks to you and tells you to add lubricant if there's an issue going on. You know, it's got the smart, what's it called? You know, you read the book.
Intelligent voice diagnosis.
Intelligent voice diagnosis. You could tell that sounds smart. It's way out of my pay grade. But yeah, I mean, it took me just a few minutes to run through that. I put it on pretty thin because I still have a little bit of drywall work to do in there. Like I said, it's all being covered, but I'm still taking it serious because I'm just trying to perfect my craft with all of that. So the sprayer helped huge to kind of expose small flaws that I did, and I actually had a pretty big flaw. So it was good for that. I put it on as thin as I could, and that was nice. It gives you a great amount of control. It felt really good to me. I've never had a sprayer before, and I'm super hyped to have one now. But yeah, over rolling, it's not even a conversation.
So this VEVOR airless paint sprayer has killed it for us. I know it's gonna kill it for us in future renovation projects. We got painting cabinets coming. We got these walls, we got exterior walls.
I mean, we're renovating the entire house, so there's gonna be some painting being done. And this is like way better than the little ones we used to have in Puerto Rico. This thing is a super beast, so I'm excited to have it. It got done quick. You know, overall, it was nice to have a project that didn't break my back, didn't break my head over it.
So if you're interested, check out the links below. You can check out VEVOR's website. They got plenty of tools for you to look at, and the prices are really good. So we'll see you guys next week. Bye.
The result of this test is upgrade.